Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download Sketchbook in your MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in www.autodesk.com/product/sketchbook/free-download.kairat. Now you will end up in this page, so choose Mac or Windows and simply press on download. So once you press on download, you can tap on the download like icon and you can see that it is going to take a few minutes to get downloaded. Once the app gets completely downloaded, simply tap on it, and once you do so, you will end up in this page. So simply select the Sketchbook version 8.7.1.Mac PKG, and from the installer simply press on continue, and after this you have to agree all the agreements and finally press on the install button. So now you need to simply type in your Apple ID password, and after you do so, simply press on install software. So once this is done, the Sketchbook app will start to get installed in your device, and after it is completely finished, the installation was successful will be shown in your Mac screen. So this is how you download Sketchbook app on your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.